If there's anything that excites me the most about a gear, it's a gear that hits three key things: price, functionality, and features. This is the Portkeys LH7C 7-inch monitor. One of the key features that this monitor has, it's its ability to be able to do camera control. Yes, for the price, you can do camera control on this monitor. So for example, I can control my white balance now. I can change it to cool. I can increase the warmness, or I can bring it back to where it is 5600. You can control the ISO, the aperture, control your shutter speed, and also you can tap to focus, or I can work on the focus and say, okay, maybe I want to tap on this lady print behind me, or put the focus over here, or bring the focus back to me, or take it back to the lady there, or bring it back to me. You can also track. You can change your autofocus settings. You can start and stop recording. Some of the key features of this monitor include, you have what Portkeys calls log stop, which is like a more customizable false color feature, focus peaking, waveform. Then you have your traditional false color, which includes a ARRI false color. You have your 3D LUTs, meaning you can also import your own look LUTs into the monitor. You have your zebras. You have your 4 customizable buttons, and also you have anamorphic desqueeze support, and you have already presets that includes whatever anamorphic desqueeze you want, the squeeze that you want for your lens in this monitor. For the price, this monitor gives you so much more that even some premium monitors still struggle to provide. This gives you all the necessary monitoring tools, and the best of it all, you can also control your camera from the monitor. Currently, I'm using it with my Nikon Z8, and also I have tested it with my Nikon ZR, and they work perfectly. Of course, it would work perfectly because it's not a wireless connection. It's customized cable, and it's just crazy how Portkeys was able to do this, whereby with one cable you're able to get HDMI connection and USB-C connection. It just makes it so convenient, because other monitors you have to use 2 cables, one for USB-C and one for HDMI. But with the Portkeys, it's just one cable, but it's a one stone kill 2 birds scenario. So what do you think? Will you be getting one for yourself? Until the next video, it's peace.